Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out this folding fish cleaning table, and this was sent to us by the manufacturer for free for us to sample today. Now, this thing is pretty nice. It's 37 inches tall, it's 40 inches wide, and 26 inches deep. Going to give you plenty of space to work on. It does come with a fillet knife right here. This thing is sharp, so be careful with it. Also has these nice basins in here. It has a large one and a smaller one. The smaller one's actually pretty deep. The larger one is not quite as deep. Also has a faucet right here, and this faucet does work. I have it hooked up to water right now. Look at that. It does have some drain plugs in here. I've currently got them in there, so that's why you don't see any water coming out. However, if I remove this drain plug, boom, water starts coming out of there. And another cool feature with these little drains down here is they do extend. Boom, just like that. So you can extend them away from your work area, so you're not gonna get it all muddy and you don't have that issue. Also does have a nice little sprayer right here. So whenever you're finished, all you have to do is just spray down your area, and that's gonna get rid of everything that was on your table. Overall, this is a fantastic buy. You do have a nice little tray down there at the bottom that does remove. This does fold up, super sturdy. That's something that I had a little bit of concern about because sometimes these aren't so sturdy. This thing rock solid whenever you fold it up. Has a handle right here so that you can grab it. This little thing right here folds flat, so everything's gonna be flat. You can throw this in the bed of your truck, take it wherever you want to take it, and you can fillet fish on the go, or shoot, you can throw this in the backyard and you can use it for more than just filleting fish. You can use it as a prep station for your grill. Absolutely amazing find right here, I think. So go ahead and check it out.